been in this property for 15 years. Finally, today is the day. We are going to close in this door and keep this beautiful trim. I've been wanting to close this in for a long time. Today is construction day. Okay, just documenting the last moments of this door being closed in. Such a special feeling. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This flow through, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. But we're closing this in today. And it's so exciting. Look at that. Oh, I like that pretty corner right there. Oh my goodness. To think that this craftsmanship was before the machine age. So this was like built and cut and shaped by hand. So another thing is this door here is being closed in. Why are there two doors? Why? I have not figured that out. But this one is now going to be covered. And I think I still want to keep this trim here. But yeah, two doors canceled. Well, I'll just walk back and forth a couple of times, but honey, wow, it's such a beautiful sight. That is just so incredible. I feel so sad. It's gonna help with the sound and privacy. It's a good thing. And it has an inconvenience to it. There's sound, of course, when it's family here, it's family. But now that this part is the guest house, I want my guests to have more sound privacy. And there isn't occasion to open the door. There's not occasion to open this door. So it's leaving into the walkway, and then there's a door here and a door here. So this door is not necessary. I'm having an anxious moment. All right, the door is framed. I'm gonna slide through these slats, and this side is framed. Gonna fill it in with insulation, cover it with sheetrock, plaster it up, close it in. This is still open in two beautiful rooms receiving light. My heart is beating. I'm like, I hope I'm making the right decision. Yeah, I am.